Hello everyone, this is the topic number system and in this video we are learning hexadecimal number system. So this number system consists of 16 digits numbers from 0 to 9 and letters A to F. Now where A to F represents decimal number from 10 to 15. The base of this number system is 16. This number system is also known as hex. The procedure of converting hexadecimal to decimal is similar to the method shown above. The difference is the change of base. So first of all, let us convert hexadecimal to decimal. Suppose we have a hexadecimal value 3B16. Okay, we have to convert it into decimal number system having base 10. So what we will do, as we have done in octal decimal number system, same way we will count the digits, 1 2 digits. So 2 minus 1 1. So what we will do, we will write 3 into 16 to the power 1 plus, we have to learn the table for hexadecimal, that means 0 0, as I've told you in the explanation, that it starts from 0 to 9, 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. After that it starts the alphabet from A to F. So A B C D E F. Now this is hexadecimal. In decimal number system it stands for 0 for 0, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now this A stands for 10, B for 11, C for 12, D for 13, F for 14, E for 14 and F for 15. Okay, so here we will write 11 in place of B into 16 to the power 0. So 16 into 3 is 48 plus 16 to the power 0 is 1. 1 into 11 is 11. Or in decimal number system we will get 59 base 10. Let us do one more example. Suppose it is 4D2 base 16. We have to convert it in decimal number system base 10. So what we will do, we will count the digits 1 2 3. So 3 minus 1 is 2. We will start from 16 to the power 2. So we will write 4 into 16 to the power 2 plus, we will see for hexadecimal D what is the value of D in decimal. So it is 13. So we will write 13 into 16 to the power 1 plus 2 into 16 to the power 0. So 4 into 16 into 16, that means, or it's better to write directly. So 4 into 16 into 16 is 1024 plus 13 into 16 is 208 plus 16 to the power 0 means 1 into 2 is 2. Or in decimal number system we are getting 1 2 3 4 base 10. Next we have to convert decimal to hexadecimal number system. So suppose we have a decimal number 59 base 10. We have to convert it to hexadecimal number system having base 16. So what we will do, we will divide it by 16. So 16 3 is 48, remainder will be 11. So we will start writing from here. We will keep dividing it until we are not getting the numbers less than 15. So we will write 3, and for 11 we will write, as I have told you here, for 11 the hexadecimal value is B. So we will write B here, base 16. Suppose we will take one example, 1 2 3 4 base 10 to convert into base 16. Simply we will divide it by 16. So 16 into 77, and remainder will be 16 into 77 is 1232, and remainder is 2. Again we will divide 16, 4 ja 64, and remainder will be 13. If we get remainder 10 or more than 10 till 15, we will write the hexadecimal notation. Okay, here we are getting 13, here we have got 11, so we have written B here. So we have to write from this way. We will write 4. For 13 the hexadecimal value is D to base 16. Now conversion of hexadecimal to binary. This is the hexadecimal value. If we have suppose 3B2, this is in hexadecimal, we have to convert it in binary, base 2. What we will do, we will follow this chart, this table. You can see in this table it is written clearly, this is the decimal system, this is hexadecimal system, and this is binary system. So for 3 we will search, we have got this value 0011. For D we have 1101, we will write 1101, and for 2 we will write 0010. Okay, so this is in binary number system. Now conversion of binary to hexadecimal number system. Suppose we have 101, 0111 and 1000 base 2. So we have to convert it in hexadecimal number system. In octal we used to make the group of 3. Here we will make the group of 4. So this is first group, this is second group, and this is third. Now here we are getting only 3 digits, so what we will do, we will add 1 0. So we will search for which hexadecimal value the binary is 0101. It is for 5. Now we will search next 0111. 0111 is for 7, and 1000 is for 8. Okay, base 16. Same way, if we have 1100, 1111 and 1010 in binary, so in hexadecimal we can write, for 1100 we will search 1100 is for C, 1111 is for F, and 1010 is for A, base 16. So hope this video is clear to you. In next video we will go for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of binary number system. Till then, thank you.